Well, I ain't too proud of my scars, they just mark mistakes that I made that I maybe learned from. And the worst ones are on my heart. Don't get me started listing ways that it broke when I was crazy and young, and in places I patched it with steel and with stone. I don't feel nothing there and afraid to be alone. But the tender parts remain underneath, and that's where you reach me and teach me to be. Sound like distant thunder, strong like a willow bough, quick to laugh, slow to anger, and weak where weakness counts. Easy like a month of Sunday mornings, holding a line laid out like the words in a hymnal, plain and simple like a 1-4-5. I ain't too attached to my sins. I let them in and then they go out again. I guess everything works like the tides on the sea, at the mercy of the moon, but riding for free. I wanna give you refuge in my harbor. If I don't go down at the wreckage in all my armor, and I ain't bothered by the battles in the heart of remain. When I look in your eyes, I make peace with what I can, and be soft like distant thunder, strong like a willow bough, quick to laugh, slow to anger, and weak where weakness counts. Easy like a month of Sunday mornings, holding a line laid out like the words in a hymnal, plain and simple like a 1-4-5.